Okay, so here's the problem. If I want to refill this, I have to shut it off, pull this whole thing off the top, and put it in the bucket, then fill it. And that sucks. So what's the fix? And here we have the pipe that I designed, and the nuts with the washer edge, and our funnel, which you saw in another video. The funnel slips right inside of the pipe, right in the top, just like our next video shows. Made an attachment. Refill it while it's running. And remember, guys, when it comes down to it, we're problem solvers. That's why we 3D print. We find something that we can make it better. Okay, you know the deal. Like, share, and subscribe. It's really helping my channel out. I'm seeing it grow day by day, and I thank each and every one of you for that. Have a great one.